Hello everyone, we are here to discuss the advantages of SAP Ariba. Check out our previous videos for an introduction to SAP Ariba and the benefits of SAP Ariba. Now, let us address the uDemand channel. uDemand is a real-time, collaborative learning platform for software development. It produces professionals that are self-sufficient and have the willpower to compete on global business networks. Let's take a moment to explain SAP Ariba. SAP Ariba is a central cloud-based procurement and supply chain management platform that transforms how companies manage their sourcing, procurement, and supplier management activities. Let's move into the main topic of the session, in other words, advantages of SAP Ariba. Enhanced efficiency in several solutions. Improved accuracy of automated tools. Increased visibility in real time. Complete analysis and reporting to make a decision. Access data with mobility. SAP Ariba offers several different solutions, all of which can automate and streamline the purchasing process. The process of requisitioning and invoicing may be automated, which would save both time and money. The automatic tools provided by SAP Ariba assist users in avoiding errors and properly capturing data. Both the purchase orders and the invoices benefit from accuracy. The platform provides real-time access to supplier data. Users may receive data about the provider's performance, price, and availability, as well as new opportunities. Clients can better prepare and organize their procurement processes with SAP Ariba's support. With the help of its extensive reports, users may better analyze patterns and make choices. Users are able to access info regardless of their location to mobile applications. They are able to understand and comprehend everything. I hope you have learned some helpful information regarding SAP Ariba's advantages. Experience the world of learning and exploring. We hope you like the video and encourage you to tell your friends to check out uDemand for more technology videos.